think the best way to describe him is the fact that he believed in our cause. I'm talking on behalf of the EFCC. He believed in our cause. He believed in our mandate. For so many years, he has been giving us free airtime, both on his radio station and on his television. And this is the best way to describe him, because despite the fact that at a time, he crossed the path of the EFCC and we are investigating him, he continued to do that. There is no better way to describe him, than that, because he believed in the cause, and he is a true Nigerian that believes that yes, the rule of law has to take its course. Yes, there is an allegation of this. Okay, do this, but my own private thought and my own contribution towards the cause can never be deterred by this. And that's the best way to describe him. He's a true Nigerian that believes in the cause of Nigeria, that has provided an alternative to broadcasting and and of course hearing the views of Nigeria in many facets of our own development. And Nigeria is going to miss him. The family are going to miss him, of course, on personal note, but we pray that may God continue to give the family the fortitude to bear the loss.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.